I invest in CSPX every single month without fail. Same amount, same platform, rain or shine. And in this video, I'm going to tell you exactly why and why, as an NRI in UAE, this might be one of the most important investing video you'll ever watch. Hello fellow Arbab, it's time to boss your money. I'm Kenneth and I've been working in finance and audit for almost 2 decades now, and I started investing at the age of 25. It's been a decade-long journey. Yes, I'm old, but during that time, I've learned a lot and hope to pass on those little things no one else tells you about. Let's start from the beginning. CSPX is a UCITS ETF that tracks the S&P 500. What the heck does any of that mean? Don't worry, that's what the rest of this video is all about. The S&P 500 is an index that tracks the 500 largest companies listed in the United States. Apple, Microsoft, Amazon, Google, Nvidia, the big ones. When people say the US market is up, they almost always mean the S&P 500 is up. Historically, it has returned around 10% annually on average over the long term. Not every year. Some years it's up 25%, some years it's down 20%, but over time, the trend has always been up at about 10%. Always. So then what is an ETF? An ETF, or exchange traded fund, is basically a basket of stocks that you can buy as a single investment. Instead of buying shares in Apple and then Microsoft and then Amazon and then 497 stocks one by one, you buy one unit of an ETF and you instantly own a tiny piece of all 500 companies at once. It trades on a stock exchange just like a regular share. Simple, diversified, and low cost. Now I hear you asking me in the comments, I know what it is, but why would I buy an ETF? If I had to hypothetically and very loosely explain it, let's say you buy Apple shares and the company closes down in 2 years. You'd lose all your money, right? But if that had to happen in an S&P 500 ETF, all 500 companies would have to shut down for you to permanently lose your money. This is diversification, and that is why you go for an ETF. So what is CSPX? CSPX is the ticker symbol for an ETF that tracks the S&P 500. One unit of CSPX and you're instantly invested across 500 of the world's most powerful companies. That's it. Now you may have heard of SPY or VOO. VOO for life, everyone says. These are also S&P 500 ETFs and they are hugely popular. Millions of people invest in them. But as an NRI sitting in the UAE, there is a specific, simple, very important reason I choose CSPX over SPY or VOO. It's because CSPX is a UCITS ETF, but the other two are not. I'll tell you exactly why that matters in just a sec. But first, let me explain why I invest small amounts into it every single month. Why not just invest a lump sum once and leave it? This is called dollar cost averaging, or DCA. And the idea is simple. Nobody, not me, not your fund manager, and not Warren Buffett on his best day can consistently predict the perfect time to buy. Markets go up and markets go down. If you put everything in at the top and the market drops, you've bought high and you're now sitting on a loss. Think of it like buying a car. You buy it for 100,000 dirhams and sell it for 80,000 dirhams. You've lost 20k, right? To make money, you need to be buying low and selling high, not the other way around. But in investing, instead of trying to time the market perfectly, which nobody can, you just invest the same amount every single month, regardless of what the market is doing. Some months you buy when it's high and some months you buy when it's low. Over time, it all averages out. And that means you remove the risk of putting everything in at exactly the wrong moment. That's why I invest every single month, same amount, no thinking, no timing, just consistency. So why not SPY or VOO? Back to the question I left you hanging on. SPY and VOO are both excellent S&P 500 ETFs, massive, liquid, well managed. So what's the problem? They are US domiciled funds. And that one fact changes everything for us as NRIs, and here is why. CSPX is a UCITS fund. UCITS stands for Undertaking for Collective Investment in Transferable Securities. I know that's a brilliant name, but what it means in plain English is that CSPX is a European Union regulated fund domiciled in Ireland. So why the heck does that matter to us? 6 words: inheritance tax and dividend withholding tax. If you invest in SPY or VOO, US domiciled funds, and something happens to you, the US government can tax your estate up to 40% on anything above just $60,000. If you have $1 million, that's $400,000 that can go to the US government as tax. That's called US estate tax, and it applies to non-US residents who hold US domiciled assets. So your family, after losing you, also loses 40% of everything you built to the IRS. Not ideal. CSPX, on the other hand, being Irish domiciled, means it falls completely outside the scope of US estate tax. Your family gets what you built, all of it. The second benefit too is that dividend withholding tax. US domiciled ETFs like SPY withhold 30% on dividends before they even reach you. Irish domiciled ETFs are taxed at just 15% on dividends at source. And there's even more good news. CSPX specifically is an accumulating fund, meaning dividends are automatically reinvested rather than paid out. So you're compounding quietly in the background and you don't even have to bear that 15% withholding tax with CSPX. For an NRI in the UAE, UCITS is not a nice to have. It is the right structure, full stop. But here's the point. There are hundreds and thousands of ETFs out there, and I'm not saying the others are bad. But if I had a limited budget and wanted a simple, diversified, long-term portfolio as an NRI in the UAE, here's what I would do to personally start. This is not financial advice. This is only for educational purposes. Remember, all investments do carry market risks. CSPX for US market exposure, a FlexiCap Indian mutual fund for Indian exposure, and a world fund for broader global diversification. And we'll save those for a different future video. Now watch this video to learn more about my overall portfolio construction, or watch this video to learn more about the platform I use to buy CSPX on. Listen, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe. We are so close to the 10K sub mark and every little bit helps. Yalla Arbab, now go boss your money.